Yo, we are on our way to a repeat customer. If you remember the video where we did the dishwasher and the expansion tank, we are going to be replacing the drain valve at the water heater for a full port ball valve in our hopes and attempt to clear out the larger pieces of sediment in his water heater. As you saw from that video, it pops very loud, and when we did the flush last time we were there, we were only able to pull out like fine pieces of sediment. There wasn't any real big pieces that came out. So yeah, we're gonna swap that out and give that a go. And yeah, that'll be it, dude. And then I need to strap some pipe for him, but the pipe clamps that I want to use for a system aren't in yet. ODE just came out with these new pipe clamps that snap fit. They're pretty dope. But I want to use that for where he's got, because I can't use like the regular pipe clamps that butt it up to the wall, because there would be too much stress on the pipe pushing it back to the wall. So I need to have a good portion of it coming off to support. Anyway, so those are supposed to get to me, I think, this week. So I'll have to pop back in at some point next week to throw those in. I wish they were already here so I didn't have to make a separate trip again. Sheesh. But yeah. So we're gonna switch out that valve, and hopefully we get a lot of sediment out of there, dude. And if not, it is what it is. Or he could soak his water heater in vinegar, which I've never done. But again, my brother-in-law did it, and he said it helped. So anyway, I will see you at the job. All right, we're wrapped up and it's still popping. So I don't know. I think it might be too caked, man. I think that might be it, unless he soaks it in vinegar. I flushed the tank 3 times. You know, I first started with full pressure, and then shut pressure off, and then transfer pumped everything out, and then periodically, you know, hit it with pressure to get, you know, to get the sediment stirred up. And did that 3 times, and still it's popping. More sediment came out, but I think it's pretty caked, man. So yeah, I don't know if any of you guys ever soaked a water heater in vinegar, or maybe you guys have like another trick, I don't know. But put the full port in, and still, I mean, no big chunks, pretty much regular size sediment came out. I think it's just layered. So anyway, we're on to the next one. We're going to another repeat customer, and her shower isn't working. Said he was working on the water lines in the alley, and ever since the water got restored, it's not working. I think some debris got in the cartridge, so we're gonna go flush. We're gonna replace the cartridge, and also hopefully flush out the valve a little bit and get that corrected. So I will see you at the job, man. All right, we are wrapped up. I am leaving Balboa Island. If you guys are familiar with the show Arrested Development, there's Dad's banana stand. It's right up here. But yeah, so that call, kind of crazy. So I'm very shocked. I switched out the cartridge. That didn't correct the problem. Turned out it was the diverter on the Kohler that is causing the restriction. Pretty gnarly that debris had made its way through the cartridge and affected the diverter. So I put the a regular shower arm on and then her shower head, so at least she has a shower. But I'm gonna order, there it is right there, hold up, see it? Dad's original frozen banana. There's two of them. That's the one to go to right there. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna order the Kohler and then come back and finish the job. So very frustrating that I didn't try that diverter, but again, because I saw it was a Temperus, I mean, the holes are so small in that thing, dude. I'm really shocked, but anyway, it is what it is. I'm not charging her extra. I'm gonna just eat the cost off the first trip. So I do that for customer service. I could charge, but I don't know. I care about my customers. I feel like it's the right thing to do. So, all right, we're on our way to a repeat customer now. We are going to switch a Grumpus pump to the correct side of the outlet of a water heater, and we're going to be replacing a tub spout. So I will see you at the job. We are wrapped up, bro. So yeah, tested the hot water before I just left, and pump is working right. So for those of you who think that you can put it on the cold side or on the inlet side, it's not going to work. So you got to put that on the hot side, or on the hot side. Yeah, you got to put it on the outlet side of the water heater for that pump to work properly. And then obviously you got to have the valve installed underneath the sink properly as well. So we got that done, and also threw in that tub spout. I am glad I picked that up because I initially thought it was a slip fit, and come to find out it's a thread. So that was good news. Good news, I brought both. And yeah, so we are wrapped up for the day. We got one completely finished, and we have two outstanding. I mean, technically, oh, he's about to crash. Oh, bro, did you guys see that? Oh boy. We got one completed and two outstanding, and I just lost my train of thought because of all that, and that fell. So anyway, we're wrapped up for the day. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day or evening whenever you're watching this, and I will see you at the next one, man. You check out this this view real quick before I end the video, see what it looks like. See if it's decent. It's all right. You see those ships? You see those ships out there? I don't think the camera really does it justice, like how it looks. Anyway, all right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you on the next one, man.